Welcome to the Meg Method. I'm Meg Walker, your fitness and wellness coach, and if you're a nervous flyer, you've come to the right place. Let's ease those pre-flight jitters with a quick 5-minute breathing exercise. As you settle into your seat and the plane prepares for takeoff, those anxious feelings may arise, but this simple technique is going to help you stay calm and in control. Today, I want you to focus on activating your body's relaxation switch, known as the parasympathetic nervous system, through slow, deep breathing. Find a comfortable spot in your seat, and once you're comfortable, close your eyes. Imagine a triangle around your nose and concentrate on what's inside it. Take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose, focusing on a deep breath rather than a big breath. Pay attention to the breath coming both in and out of your nose. Now let's break down why this technique works for pre-flight jitters. Your body has two modes, one for action, your fight and flight response, and one for relaxation. In this situation, you want to activate the relaxation mode, and it's as simple as making your exhale longer than your inhale. A longer exhale slows your breathing, signaling to your body to relax and sending a reassuring message to your brain. This helps shift your body into relaxation mode, which is perfect for those pre-flight nervous moments. Keep your eyes closed, stay focused on those slow, deep nasal breaths, and let's begin some focused inhales and exhales to further relax your body. Here's how it goes. You're going to breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. You're then going to hold your breath gently for 2 beats. Now here's the key part. You will then finish that round by exhaling slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's do it together. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, and exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your thoughts focused on your breath and notice how your body relaxes just that little bit more every round of breaths. It's a straightforward practice, but it can make a big difference in how you feel during your flight. Return your attention back to that triangle you drew around your nose. Take one final slow, gentle, deep breath in down to your lungs, and then allow yourself to relax and allow that breath to gently and slowly escape out. And there you go. You've just completed a 5-minute exercise that can help calm those flying nerves. And remember, it is completely okay to feel a little anxious. How very human of you. I hope this exercise can be here for you to return to anytime you need help to manage those feelings. And remember that you do have the power to ease your own nerves, no matter where you are. Until next time, stay relaxed, stay well. Take a deep breath, exhale, and enjoy your journey.